Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax. Today I'm showing you another 2023 Bennington 25Q swingback with a sport arch. This particular boat has the Mercury 400 Racing Verado on it. Exterior color is ocean blue with the blackout package, smooth paneling. Let me take a walk around and show you guys the boat. This color combination goes great together. Of course, the power cladded arch, the 400 Racing on it, ESP package, underwater lights, rear facing Rockford Fosgate speakers, 52-inch removable ski pylon. It's got the new lily pad ladder on it. I'll show you it stowed away. It's a really slick ladder, makes getting in and out of the water really easy. Folds down just like so. Really nice. Gets deep down into the water, so you got to bring your knees to your chest. Climb aboard and take a look now. Again, Rockford Fosgate rear facing speakers. You also have RGB lighting under there. It does have the deluxe swing back on it, so these two cushions here pop up forward facing. Your backrest there will stow away up under that seat, so it's out of the way. Rear transom controls there, real nice. Got the nice bench seat. It's got the co-captain's lounge. It's got a stowable table, so you can take that out, stow it away, so it's up out of the way. Around here, got fold down armrest on both front and back lounges. Port lounge, same thing. More Rockford speakers on the floor up front. That little two black things down there, those are your phone chargers. So you got the USB-C 3 on it, and then you got the regular USB. Port lounge, same thing here. You got a wireless phone charger in there. Cup holders you can move around. Then another new thing for 2023 is the glass windscreen we've been trying to put on all of our bigger boats. Storage up under your console, elevated helm with SeaDeck in the bottom. It's really nice. Rockford Fosgate speaker, another wireless phone charger there. Put the 12-inch Simrad on this particular model. That's the power. Silver with carbon accent, and you got the ocean blue stitching. Again, this boat is a 2023 Bennington 25Q swingback with the cladded arch and glass windscreen with a 400 Racing Mercury. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.